owner of Sri Radio Ware House. This is 65 years old company. We are very fashion with the radios. Pioneer company, one of the oldest company. Newly they introduced some model. Today our company planning to install DMH-A4450BT in Vento car. It have a very unique, very top class, sleek type, fantastic music, sounds, quality and adaptable to any car.
So whenever I buy a car, I used to install only Pioneer set. I've just done my installation. Feature is very good actually.
Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, lot of features are there in this model. Their review also very good and they are giving a 5-star reviews in this product.
Feature is very good actually. It has got a plug and play music, play movies also, and you can even navigate through emails, touchscreen, everything is available there. It has got the features with mirror screening, all those stuff. So I'm comfortable with the set.
The company is always help us to give any updation of software, so very easy to adopt this product and very easy as accessible of this brand.
I'm planning to suggest my friends also to go for this Pioneer set.
We are the highest seller of this product and the customer 100% satisfied. Once they buy this product, in future also they know about the value of the money by this product.